guys, Screenball back again with another reaction video too. Bad Girls Club season 5 all fights. You see me? So watch check out this and see what about season 5, you see me? And see if it excited or some of the season them fights from watch before, you see me? So begin. Alright, Battle Royale. Yo, I'll be a cat fight them. Watch out, boy! Ah! Yo! John will start. Hey, I'm not like shall fight doing it. Alright. What the hell? Shall fight do, I'm not telling a lie. Alright, fight in the club. What, another club? Yeah, another club. Yeah. Oh, Ice War. Hey, black girl, hold on for her, man. You know that true, the man want to put the man on the girl. You see, she want to fight the man. The man can have punch her, I don't know, but true, the man probably want to fight her. You see me? Yo, them girls act like them are monster stuff. Actually, the man them no want to get sued. That's why them probably gonna fight them, yeah? Listen, there's no way, bro. Like, dude, I'm gonna fight females and I'm gonna believe in man who fight females. But guess what? My presence alone if I make a female know say, yo, don't put your hand on my bro, because not sure to look simple. It won't end well if I defend myself, yeah? When we present my seriousness to people, them don't know say, oh, don't mess with me, bro. Because sometimes I have to present put intimidation on people to make them know say, oh, we're not a person if you ramp with, because if you ramp with me, in self-defense, I defend myself and I will trash you to the ground, completely wipe you out. Up on the beach. Yeah, man, I tell you, them security are supposed to, the security guard have the best jobs in the world. Different, for bad off woman all day. Psycho woman. Ooh, shit. Fight now, get, watch out. I never see one of them even punch it. Like, dude, come on, the girl in your face, come on. Oh. I mean, sometimes I wonder if some of the drama is fake or real. Like, if the girl is actually this psycho or crazy. Watch your ear, watch your ear, watch your ear, watch your ear, watch it. Boy! Yeah! Move! Oh, yeah! Yo, for fighting on clothes but like that, because all the lighter job. Them chicks are crazy, bro. Anyway, guys, to the end of the reaction video to Black Bad Girls Club season 5 fight, you see me? I'm not tell you lie, some of the fights them, I don't know if the girl them never want to start the fight first because some of the girl them are come up with them face and them not defend it alright. It's like them want to get punched first. So I don't know how the rules go for the house. Because I don't know if you hit the person first, you get sent home. I don't know it go. But as I say, some of the girls them put them on the man name. Listen, ladies, you're wrong for it, male and female. You see me? But if somebody have to defend themselves, they will defend themselves. They don't care if you're a female, you see me? Because at the end of the day, you're still a human being, you see me? So if you don't want to get hit, don't put down on people. Simple, you see me? Anyway guys, peace out.
I'm an icon, man. I'm a girl about a 10. I should fuck her in a Benz.